It is Sunday afternoon and it is a hot one today. I am going to be taking you smallmouth fishing today. We are gonna be jigging in a river in my little V-bottom boat. I got a 6-horse Johnson on it. This cast, I'm just gonna jig it, let it hit bottom, jig it, like a jig, you know. Oh man, it's hot. Yes, it feels pretty big. Feels pretty nice right now. It's a smallie. I guarantee it's a smallmouth. Oh, I don't know what it is, but it's big. Oh, that's a nice smallmouth, I think. What is that? I don't even know. Oh, I didn't see it. It's big. It's big. Oh, it's a nice northern. It's a nice northern. Come on, stay on, stay on, stay on, stay on, stay on, stay on. Come on, buddy. Stay on, stay on, stay on, stay on. Okay, I'm gonna order it. Don't come off, don't come off, come on. Don't come off, don't come off. It's a nice northern. It's definitely 25. I was really hoping it was a smallmouth, but I can take this for sure. I will take this nice northern pike. It's going on a run now. I'm gonna go on shore so that I can land it somehow. I don't know how what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna anchor and I'm going to go over there where there's a sandbar. I'm gonna take the fish over there. The fish is pretty much tired out already, so I'm gonna take the fish over there. And then catch it. Come on, come over here, buddy. Maybe I have a better chance by the rocks. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Okay, maybe I should have came here in the first place. It's the best spot. Got him. Yes. Oh, that's a nice pike. No. Oh, wow. Man, that was really dumb by me. I'm gonna admit that all day long. I should have a net. Boy, I don't know why, but this heat is just getting to me. It's so hot today. It's like 86 degrees in Wisconsin. It's so hot. Yeah, I'm gonna go get a pliers for this guy. I don't want teeth in my hand, but there he is. It's a nice northern pike right there. The pike is a 28 incher, so it's legal for me to keep. So I'm gonna keep it. It's gonna be a perfect flaying fish. Northern tastes really good. I'm glad I came already. I didn't think I was going to catch a northern, but that's perfect because northern are good eaters. I like eating northern. I'm all done retying. Now let's see what else I can catch while I'm drenched with mud and water all over my shoes. This is my first cast back to fishing. Had to retie 3 times since I caught that northern. And I lost the bait that I caught the northern off of. I kind of think that the northern hit right when it hit, like when I jigged it off a bottom. Like the first jig too. It was like instant. Like I cast it, it hit the bottom, and I jigged it up, then it hit. It was a pretty quick hit. I didn't really do much. I wasn't like slowly retrieving it or anything like that. I just jigged it up and it hit. I'm all done fishing now. I fished for 3.5 hours and I pulled off that one northern. The bait that I was actually using is called the Lunker Hunt Customs Swim Head. That's what it was. And what it was called was Hot Rod Swim Head Chartreuse Swim Fish. This is the bait that I was using today. I just got this great idea that I'm gonna have a northern pike catch and cook. Must not be hot enough yet. I just plugged it in, so yeah, it's not. I didn't even plug it in. Really? There's the cord. There's where the cord's supposed to be. It's not plugged in. Now, after that long wait, the fish is ready to be put in. It's not quite hot yet, but it's getting there. Close enough. It's looking really good. The fish is all done now. It's looking really good. I have not tried it yet. I think it's going to be really good. If you watched me catch and cook this northern pike, make sure to give me a like and subscribe if you want to see the rest of the videos that I make. Thanks for watching this video.